Hey guys, I thought I'd do one of these fucking unboxing reveal things you see on the internet all the time. I have been waiting for this for a bit now. It's pretty exciting. You might have seen us advertise the special distributor thingamajig for G Series motors. Now, Tim has kindly express posted me mine, and I know a few others are receiving this. So I'm just going to smash this together. It might be the best video ever, but I figured it's enough so people can actually see the unit in my hand. And then if you want to order more, there's, link you to the website and whatever else. But so far, I know Liam got his yesterday as well, and he unboxed his and had a look and looked pretty trick. So we'll unbox it now and see what's inside. So you have to excuse the mess. With halfway nets, basically this weekend, the whole garage is a bit of a mess. Hang on a sec, I'll have to do this, put the phone down. So what's in the box? We've got a little clip that plugs in with all the pins and things ready to go, which is real useful. Information sheet, look how basic this is. So basic, even someone like me who, I'm not very good with wires and stuff, that's easy enough for me to terminate and put together. So that's sick. Now, I would suggest this nicely wrapped up mover in here is the unit itself. I'll piss this off. How good does that look? Just feels quality too. Tim's done a mad job on it. Turn the video off for a sec so I could pull the cap off. But this is what's inside. Pop like that. How neat is that? A little sensor on the end. So good. I'm so excited to check this in and get it running. We're actually gonna put this unit in the sedan here, which again I haven't had a chance to do anything with for a while, but it's going to replace, basically we've got a fireball ignition in there from years ago. Yeah, it's held up well, but be better off running quad coils and so on and so forth than that. But this whole thing's getting a complete makeover. We're not talking about the Gemini, we're talking about this Stuva. So yeah, big shout out to Tim for getting these done. It was a lot of work for him to get it sorted for us Gemini people, and I know that's difficult in itself, but yeah. So OneSix Industries are doing everything. I'll put a link in the description thingamajig, and then yeah, we can all have excellent crank angle sensor setups in our Geminis. And if you need, I can hook you up with a Haltech too. Cool. Alright, that's it for now. Stay tuned. We'll have lots of updates for halfway nets on the weekend. Probably go live and stuff like that too. So, yeah, we'll bring you more.